Hi guys, this is 2008 Toyota Hilux 1KD engine. So I'm going to today replace for the brake shoes and the brake wheel cylinder in here. So this one had a bad oil leak in rear axle seal. You can see this seal. So this one, all the liners getting wet. That's why I'm replacing for the brake shoes and brake cylinders. You can see all the diff oil come through here. So we need to take out this the whole frame, the backing plates, and to reach for the axle tube seal. So we have to first off the brake lining, the rear pipe, nut. So now I'm going to do off the brake shoes. So this one all over the wet. So we need to off this the handbrake cable. So I can just slightly out. Okay, you can see the seal in here. It's leaking in here, oil. So the new seal is going the axle shaft in between in here. So make sure this edge any damage or something cracked, or because if in here any damage, your seal is leaking again. So seal going like this. Like this, sitting on the seal. So it's okay now, this one. Take it out the seal. This one little bit, this seal is very hard to take it out. Okay, can seal out. Be careful in the edges, don't damage these edges, otherwise it's oil leaking again. So I'm going to install the new seal. So then we need like this tool. I already made this tool. See, like going this way, it's perfectly fit. So then have to put in to tap it. I can see the seal is nicely going in. Okay, I'm going to install the axle shaft. So I'm going to install the brake shoes now. I lubricate in these edges. So I'm going to put back these shoes. So this one I already lubricate the threads, and this one all the way in. Okay, then the big one, the big edge going to here. Good. Okay, this one going like here, and to this thingy going through in here. This one going like here, and the spring, this one in here, and that one on there. Okay, let's put it back. So I'm going to install the handbrake cable. I hold like this and put in. Then you have to strike this. So I'm going to put the bottom spring. Okay. Stop spring go in here. Okay, then we have to do the install the wheel cylinder like here. So we done the one side already, install the new cylinder and the brake shoes, and this side the seal. So we can see in here the notches. You can adjust the brake here. Install the drum, already clean it. Okay, then I have to this side need to brake edges and the bleed the brake fluid. That side we have to go to that side. So this is the driver side. You can see it's very dirty, dust. Okay. Oh, good. You have to off the cylinder, put the new cylinder. Need to off the back side 210mm bolt. So after that we install the wheel cylinder. And after 2 screws in the back. Okay guys, we install the right hand side, so everything fine. Adjust the springs backing together. Okay, now I have to put it back in the wheel drum. Okay, pump. Okay, pump and hold.
Hold.
Again.
Hold.
Okay guys, finally complete the system. After that we adjust the handbrake. So it's the handbrake getting 6 notch. And make sure the brake fluid levels is on the level. So okay, this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.